Where does the best pizza come from? Is it Papa John's, Domino's, Pizza Hut? Not anymore. You're about to learn secrets from inside the pizzeria that will turn your kitchen into the best pizza place in town. Your family and friends will exclaim that yours is the best pizza they've ever eaten. Hi, I'm Bev Collins, and I worked in pizza research and development for one of the giants in the industry, and I've taught pizza making skills to 8-year-olds and 85-year-olds. I will show you where to get the secret ingredients you can't find at the grocery store, the never-before-published techniques of Manhattan's famous New York pizza makers, how to toss the dough like a pro, sauce secrets, cheese blends, and more. See it all demonstrated and explained step by step on Secrets from Inside the Pizzeria DVD, complete with recipes and instructions.